Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my classic hourly vertical that I use for work. Like everything's just going off right now. And this week I decided I'm going to be using Caregiver and combining it with these plant stickers from Happy Blooms. All right, let's get started. So as I was taking the pages out, I ripped this one. So I might have to just put a sticker over that. We will work it out. Okay. So I love all these, and I might have to use that whole page because it's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And I love that. Actually, I can take that page out. And then I can work with these. So I want one big sticker down here, but I'm actually off on the Friday and then working on the Saturday. So maybe I can just put this one big one right on Friday and Saturday, so that there we go. And then I can still put boxes around here to still make it pretty. But I just don't know what to do about that. That is the one that's kind of scaring me. Do I put one of these bigger boxes on it? Do I? I don't know. I actually really don't know what to do about that one. Maybe if I think what I'm going to try and do is put these pages together and put the leaf over it like that. But I'm just checking my schedule. I do have a 9 o'clock meeting on the Thursday and a 10 o'clock. So let's maybe... And then actually on Wednesday I have a 9:30. So I don't want to rip the sticker. I think I'm going to have to just do it like that. And that should help with the rip, the tear. And then this one will go here, but I have to find a big box first, just down the side to make sure that, ooh, love letter to myself. It really won't be a love letter to myself. I wish there was a yellow box, but I already used it. Clearly, I'm liking the yellow because I've used so many of the yellows. Gosh. Okay, so it looks like I might have to just use the red or the blue. Let's use the blue. And I can add yellow in other days. Okay, let's just do the red. And I'm going to take my white out so that you don't see the pink through here, because that would just not be good if you could see the pink through. So putting this down like so. And there we go. And then placing the plant over top, and I don't want it to go off the page because I want to be able to keep as much of the sticker as possible, because I mean, look at how cute that is. Okay, then maybe I could put a few big boxes over here, and those will basically be my to-do lists for Saturday. Today I'm grateful for, on a positive note. So kind of like this, and I hate to cover up any of the floral. And then add the green. Oh yeah, I enjoy that. And then I could just, we'll see what I could do there. Maybe I could have a, there, I know I've seen self-care day stickers and I probably just passed it. Self-care. Sorry if I'm not, oh, there we go. Self-care, let's do it in the blue. And I'm gonna leave self-care day here. It seems really plain just on its own. So maybe maybe if I do a leaf with the pink one, that might work out better. Self-care day, because I'm off on Friday. Okay, and then there's so many meetings. So I'm going to either use these or use these, which I love, or that might be the thing. Let's go back to the front. I've taken apart this sticker book. These ones, perfect. Okay, so let's start on Monday. Monday I have at 10 o'clock, at 10:30, and 11. So I don't need those, but ooh, I could use these. So at 10 o'clock, 10:30, and an 11, which works out really well with this sticker. So I'm gonna get my X-Acto knife and cut here. And then I have a 1:30, a 2:30, and a 3. So 1:30, 2:30, and a 3 o'clock. And actually that would go perfectly there, or I could use, would there be enough room to use? No, I would need, because these blocks are not, my husband said to me yesterday, he's like, finish your sentences before you move on to the next one, and I feel like I've just done that with you guys, so I apologize. There's these remember stickers, but they're not big enough. And I don't want to have to use a box sticker if I don't need to. So it might have to be just these. So 1:30, 2:30, and 3 o'clock. Okay, and then Tuesday I have a 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12. So I'll actually use it to cover that. And then, oh, I didn't mean to put two blue right next to each other. And then in the afternoon, I have a 2 o'clock and a 2:30. So, maybe we'll do these. Let's grab my tweezers. I realize I'm slanted here. So I could do a pink and a peach. So I said at 2 o'clock and at 2:30. Okay, and then Wednesday is even busier. I have a 9:30, a 10 o'clock, a 10:30. So another box looks like it might be the way to go. So a 9:30, 10 o'clock, 10:30, and 12. Thing is, I don't want these stickers right next to each other because to me then it just looks too boxy, right? So what if I did one of these long boxes? These long boxes might actually be better because this will cover from 9:30 to my last meeting at 2:30, I believe it is. Now I have to double check because I think there's one, jeepers. And then I forgot there was one more on a Tuesday, 3:45. So let's put down a yellow. So 3:45, 1, 2, 3, 45. Okay. And then Wednesday I have meetings, oh boy, meetings from 9:30 to 3. So that actually might, it'll be a lot, but I don't mind it overlapping like this. Okay. Okay, that'll do. And then Thursday, I have a 9 o'clock, a 10 o'clock, a 10:30, 11:30. It's actually not too bad. I think I can handle that. So 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 10:30, 11:30. So 9 o'clock and I'm going to cut this just kind of halfway. It's not straight, but it still looks cute. And then I have 2 in the afternoon for, no, 3 in the afternoon, 2 o'clock, 2:30. So 2 o'clock, 2:30, and I may be adding another one actually at the same time that week, and then 4:30. And then I'm off on the Friday, and then Saturdays, no meetings. So the way that I like to decorate this, I really like to do all of the functional stuff first, and then I go a little crazy on the decor. So I also know that I will possibly be cozying on Tuesday and Thursday. So I kind of need the room, I guess. I'm sorry, I can hear them playing with Lucy upstairs, and she's going a little bit crazy. Okay, let's put this right here. You know what? I don't need to use all of these plants everywhere. Yes? No? What do you guys think? That's cute there. And maybe I can save these other 2 because I feel like I can put a really nice quote down at the bottom with something. With something. I had a better idea of what it was in my head, and now it's gone. Well, that's the tough thing. Okay, well, I'm gonna actually put little notes up there, things to remember, like to do, and then one here for noted. Actually, it's right next to the green, so I don't want to put a green right next to a green. So maybe a blue noted. I really like the leaf in the middle. I wonder if I could put would it be too much to put that in the middle? I feel like it would be too much. I'm gonna save that for a different spread. Yeah, I'll save these, but it feels really empty down here now, so I need something down there. But what? Maybe just this very simple quote of amazing things can happen. Amazing things that happen when you are kind. All right, I'm gonna cut this down the middle and then punch it. Just one sec. All right, that is it for me. I am really liking the blue foil. I love this big sticker down here in the corner, and it still leaves me with enough place to write notes for Saturday. I like the mix of the boxes and the to-do lists for my meetings. I really, really like how this spread turned out. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.